Alright, so today I'm installing some new speakers into the S2000. I've actually had these speakers for a while. My buddy actually got them for me. And yeah, so you just need a couple of items here. You do need, if you are installing an aftermarket speaker, you will need some sort of speaker spacing. So I got these off of MODIFRY. I also have these are the Metra Honda speaker harnesses. So this just makes it easier for this to be plug and play. And this allows the speakers to sit more flush. It also comes with mounting screws and some other screws. Yeah, so let's go through the install. I'll show a before and after audio video near the end of the video. Okay, start by removing these two caps here, and underneath are two screws. And then inside is a Phillips head screw. Just remove that. There's another screw here hidden right behind the door handle. Alright, so next just remove this casing. Alright, so next you want to remove this fastener clip here. Just use a prying tool and just pop it out. Alright, so with all of that removed, you can now just kind of pry the door card away from the door and it should pop out. So maybe start from the bottom. Alright, so there are a couple of clips, wiring clips. Just go ahead and unplug them before placing the door card down. So that wire and that wire is what you have to unclip. And then yeah, just place your door card aside and we can get to removing the speaker. Alright, so these are stock speakers. It's pretty straightforward to dismantle it. We'll just go ahead and remove the screws here. Now, if you're reusing the stock housing, then you can go ahead and remove the speaker from the housing, but I won't be reusing this. Okay. All right, so go ahead and grab your spacer and the supplied screws and just line it up and screw it in. So MODIFRY in his instructions says that make sure the screws are sitting flush. They should not poke out whatsoever. Nice and flush. Now, I should mention the reason why you need a spacer is because these aftermarket speakers, they're a lot wider and thicker here, so they don't sit entirely flush compared to the OEM one. So you get yourself a spacer like this, and then we just line it up and then screw it into this spacer. It's an MDF spacer. So before we install the speaker, we want to install our plug and play harness here. So go ahead and grab the connection, connect it, and then you have your positive and negative terminals here. So when you grab your speaker, you want to make sure that the connections are correct. So if you look closely, you will see the positive and negative terminals. So positive would be white, and then negative would be black. All right, so we got it all connected up. Now, before you finish installing this, it's a good idea to actually just test your speaker out to make sure it's working. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I tested it off camera and the speaker does in fact work. So you can go ahead and just line it up and yeah, and then go ahead and just screw it into your MDF spacing here. All right, so just get yourself a pen, line it up as best you can to the center, and just mark where you plan on screwing in the speaker here. All right, so once you get your first screw in, it's pretty straightforward. Just go ahead and screw in the rest. All right, just like that, the speaker has been installed. So just do one more sound test, make sure it works, and then reinstall your door panel. And just repeat the same steps for the other side. All right, so now we just got to reinstall everything in reverse order. We'll start off with the door card. So connect all the wiring. All right, so I think the trick is you install the top portion first. All right, just like that. So just slide in this portion first, and now you can go ahead and clip all the clips in. All right, just all right, so just like that, it should be nice and flush. Speaker should be nice and flush. All right, so let's go ahead and reinstall the door handle and then the two handle screws. And also don't forget the cap. It goes to the back here. Grab the two caps. All right, so yeah, that's how you install a door speaker in a Honda S2000. All right, so this is before the speaker install. And this is some copyright-free music, unfortunately, so let's listen to it. Alright, so the speakers have been installed. This is the after video. I'm going to play the same song at the same volume, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, so yeah, the Alpine S-S65, honestly, not a bad deal if you're looking to upgrade your stock speakers. I think it's worth it, but if you really want to make your car sound a lot better, you need an aftermarket amplifier connected to these speakers, and also get a sub. That will really amplify the sound and make your sound system sound a lot better. But in terms of pricing, this is not a bad option. It's relatively affordable and it's a very easy install. It took me maybe like less than 30 minutes to install it. Both speakers, honestly, it didn't take that long. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.